The GoPro Hero 14 Black is one of the most anticipated action cameras of 2025. Although GoPro has not officially announced it yet, many rumors and leaks have surfaced online. Based on these, we can expect several exciting upgrades in design, features, and performance. In today's video, we will explore the possible specifications and improvements of the upcoming GoPro Hero 14 Black. The GoPro Hero 14 Black is said to keep the small and tough design that GoPro is famous for. This means it will still be easy to carry around and won't break easily, even if you drop it or use it during exciting adventures. But some people say it might come with a bigger sensor inside the camera, which helps it take better pictures and videos. Because of this, the camera might be a little bit bigger than before, but not too big. You'll still be able to stick it on your helmet, bike, skateboard, or even your pet with no problem. GoPro might also keep using the cool magnetic latch system that started with the Hero 13 Black. This latch lets you attach the camera quickly and safely to different mounts, kind of like using a strong magnet to stick things together. It saves time and makes it super easy to use. Plus, the Hero 14 might be even better at working underwater. You could use it while swimming, diving, or in the rain without needing any extra case to keep it dry. Now let's talk about the fun part: video and pictures. There are rumors that the Hero 14 Black might be able to record videos in 8K. That's a super high quality video with lots of details, almost like what you see in big movies. It might also let you record in 5.3K at 240 frames per second. This means you can make awesome slow motion videos that look really smooth and cool, perfect for capturing jumps, flips, or even your dog shaking off water. When it comes to taking pictures, the Hero 14 Black might get a 32 megapixel camera. That's more powerful than the older GoPro. A bigger number like that means your photos can be clearer, more colorful, and look better, even when it's dark or cloudy outside. So whether you're taking pictures at a party, in the forest, or by the beach, they'll turn out great. Low light performance has always been a challenge for action cameras. The Hero 14 Black aims to address this with a new, larger sensor that captures more light. This improvement would lead to clearer and more detailed images and videos in dim environments, such as during nighttime adventures or underwater explorations. The Hero 14 Black could also be smarter when it comes to features. It might use improved voice control, so you can just tell your camera what to do without pressing any buttons, like saying GoPro, start recording, or GoPro, take a photo. This is super useful when your hands are full or you're in the middle of an exciting activity. There may also be better ways to connect the camera to your phone or other devices. That means sharing your photos and videos could be faster and easier. You could quickly send your videos to your phone, edit them, and post them on social media or share them with your friends and family. One of the coolest things about GoPro cameras is how smooth the videos look, even when you're moving a lot. This is thanks to something called HyperSmooth Stabilization. It's like having invisible hands holding the camera steady, even when you're jumping, running, or riding a bike on a bumpy trail. With every new GoPro, this feature keeps getting better, and now the Hero 14 Black is expected to bring the brand new version called HyperSmooth 7.0. This is perfect for people who love sports and adventure. Whether you're skateboarding, snowboarding, jumping on a trampoline, or just running around with your friends, the Hero 14 Black will help you make awesome videos that look like they were made by a pro. And the best part? You don't need to carry any extra gear, just your GoPro and your imagination. audio quality is crucial for content creators. The Hero 14 Black may include built-in support for wireless microphones via Bluetooth. This feature would allow users to capture clear audio without the need for additional accessories. Such an upgrade would be particularly beneficial for vloggers and filmmakers who require high-quality sound. GoPro's modular approach allows users to customize their cameras with various accessories. The Hero 14 Black is expected to support new lens mods, including telephoto and enhanced underwater lenses. These additions would provide greater flexibility and creativity for users, enabling them to capture unique perspectives and scenes. Furthermore, the camera might feature automatic detection of attached lens mods, adjusting settings accordingly for optimal performance. This smart integration would simplify the shooting process and ensure the best possible results. Battery life is a critical aspect of any action camera. The Hero 14 Black is rumoured to come with a larger 2100 mAh Enduro battery, an improvement over the 1900 mAh battery in the Hero 13 Black. This enhancement would allow for longer recording times, even in extreme temperatures. Additionally, the camera may feature the new GP4 processor, offering faster performance and better power efficiency. This upgrade would enable smoother operation and quicker processing of high-resolution footage. Artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly prevalent in cameras. The Hero 14 Black might leverage AI for features like auto-editing, scene detection, and real-time highlight creation. These capabilities would make it easier for users to produce professional-looking content with minimal effort. Cloud integration is also expected to improve. Users could benefit from automatic uploads and backups of their footage, ensuring their content is safe and accessible from anywhere. GoPro typically releases new models in September. Following this pattern, the Hero 14 Black is anticipated to launch in September 2025. As for pricing, it may be slightly higher than the Hero 13 Black due to the new features and enhancements. Estimates suggest a price range of $400 to $450. The GoPro Hero 14 Black is shaping up to be a significant upgrade over its predecessor. With potential features like 8K video recording, improved low-light performance, enhanced stabilization, and better audio support, it promises to be a powerful tool for adventurers and content creators alike. While these details are based on rumors, they provide an exciting glimpse into what GoPro might offer in its next flagship action camera. As we await official confirmation, the anticipation continues to build for what could be GoPro's most advanced camera yet. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.